So now let's set up the menus. So here you can click on edit and you can see which menu is selected down in the mobile. So you can see none is selected. So just close this and go to appearance and here select menus, and here we can click on create a new menu, and here you can name it anything like any name, and you can check mark both of this and click on create menu, and here you can now click on view all and you can add the pages that you want to show in the header. So let me add the shop page, contact us, compare, and the front page. So let's add them, and we can also show the categories, but we have not created them yet. So just click on save, and now let's create some categories. So go to the product. So these are the categories where you upload your products. So these are all the fake categories that came with the theme. So just delete them. I'll check all of them and delete all of them. So this is the default category, so we cannot delete it. So let's just rename this one, and we can name it Julie, or we can say gold plated jewelry. This is the main item for this store, so we can keep it as the default category, and you can definitely change that picture later on. And let's add some more categories, which will be gold plated bangles. And now let's add another category, that is gold plated bridal jewelry. Kakis come add. So let's keep these three categories for now. And now let's see how we can add them in the menu. So just go to appearance, menus. So here we will scroll down and we will see the product categories. The view all, add all three of them. And here you can make them as a drop down by just dragging them over a bit, and you can make the names shorter for the menus. So just click on save, and now let's visit the website, and we can also change the order of these if we want. So, and let's keep it here, just do that like this, and now let's use it the score and refresh, and you can see now simple. So here is the menus. We can move this icon, change the default category, which is why it's showing like this. So we can fix this. Here it is, we can open it, remove it, and update, refresh, and here you can see now it is fixed. If you have any question, just reach me out on my website via the contact form. All the contact details are provided in the description, and I will also provide the links for the web hosting that I recommend and I personally use in the description of the video. If you will purchase the web hosting or theme or anything using the link provided in the description, then I will receive a little bit of commission that help me create these type of free videos for you. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.